asshole. All right, what up? I got an engine that I just pulled out for sale. This thing is mint. I got some mods to it. Got the two-piece pistons, because two is better than one. And then we got the mods on the block. It has a vented block for extra cooling, and then also another vent on the oil for more cooling. So yeah, dude, for sale. Hit me up. All right, so you can see I got the motor pulled out. My plan today is to strip the motor, basically remove the pulley, the covers, just take a look at it and see if I can see what happened exactly. Well, see, there's a motor inside the hole, or there's a hole inside the motor. So, but basically just try to salvage any parts that I could use for the new motor. Mainly just the bracket, the timing cover, things like that. And then pull up the pulley. I need to pull out the cam out of this motor because I'm gonna just reuse that cam for now. We're trying to just a little bit of cost saving because I am broke. Pull out the clutch, see how that looks like, and then just basically just strip it out, and then take the motor to the recycler. All right, let's do it. Alright, in order to pull all that out, I actually need to lift up the engine, take out the oil pan, take out the oil pickup, that way I can take off the oil pump and move the rest out. So I gotta lift the engine up. Cool. Here's the up-close look of the Carnage. Number 8 rod just said nope. Pieces. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. Alright, I got the motor mostly stripped down. Well, at least anything that I was gonna need out of it. So now I'm just a matter of just taking the crank off, caps and pistons and all that, and recycling the aluminum. And then here is number 7 rod and parts of the pistons. It really did a damage in here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually a crack on the block. Here's better than this side. So that's what happened, but I'm gonna wrap it up here. So stay tuned for the rebuild part. My garage is a mess. I need to clean a bunch of parts, and she'll be back up and running shortly. I'm just on a waiting game, waiting on people to finish what they need to get done. But yeah, stay tuned. I got more stuff for this. Peace.